What are the different types of railroad track? Have you ever wondered what keeps those massive trains running smoothly across the country? The answer lies in the different types of railroad track. Each type is designed for specific purposes and operational speeds, making them essential for safe and efficient transportation. Let's break down the various types of railroad track you might encounter. First, tracks can be classified by their operational speed and usage. Class 2 tracks support speeds up to 25 miles per hour for freight and 30 miles per hour for passengers. These tracks are often found on branch lines or secondary main lines, and they may be used by regional railroads or tourist trains. Class 3 tracks allow for speeds of 40 miles per hour for freight and 60 miles per hour for passengers. You will typically find these on regional railroads. Class 4 tracks are built for higher speeds, allowing up to 60 miles per hour for freight and 80 miles per hour for passengers. These are usually the mainline tracks that handle long-haul freight and passenger trains. Next, let's talk about track types based on construction. Ballasted tracks are the most common type. Here, the rails rest on wooden or concrete ties supported by crushed stone ballast. This ballast helps with drainage and stability while absorbing pressure from passing trains. Regular maintenance is necessary to keep the ballast clean and the track aligned. On the other hand, non-ballasted or slab tracks have rails fixed directly onto a concrete or asphalt slab. These tracks are more stable and requiring less upkeep, making them popular for high-speed rail systems and urban transit, although they are more costly to build. Tracks can also be categorized by gauge, which is the distance between the rails. The standard gauge, measuring 1,435 millimeters, is the most common worldwide. Narrow gauge tracks have a smaller distance between rails, allowing trains to navigate sharp curves and steep terrain, often used in mountainous areas. Broad gauge tracks are wider than standard gauge, enabling them to carry heavier loads and providing greater stability, typically used in freight and high-capacity passenger services. Lastly, track layout types include single track, double track, and quadruple track. Single track consists of one set of rails where trains travel in both directions, requiring careful scheduling. Double track has two parallel tracks that allow trains to travel simultaneously in both directions, increasing capacity. Quadruple track features for parallel tracks, often used in busy corridors to separate fast passenger trains from slower freight trains. For those working in high-risk jobs related to railroad track maintenance, understanding these track types is vital. Ballasted tracks, while easier to repair, requiring workers to manage loose stones and shifting rails, often in dangerous environments near moving trains. Slab tracks, though more stable, demand precise construction and specialized skills for maintenance. The classification of tracks by speed and usage also affects the risk level for workers, as higher speed lines necessitate stricter safety measures. In summary, railroad tracks come in various types based on speed, construction, gauge, and layout. Each type presents unique operational characteristics and maintenance challenges, aligning with the demanding nature of jobs in the railroad industry.